So very simple. Latch at the bottom if we want to lock the door. And then we have our deadbolt up top. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're going to be checking out our Kwikset combo pack for our entry, doorknob, and lock. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here, so check it out. We have our knob and lock pieced together, and they have some more product information for you right there on both sides. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents, check it out. First up, we have our installation instructions for our doorknobs. So you can see that double-sided walks you through everything you need to know depending on a couple of different situations and scenarios. Then we have our doorknob keys, our bracket, our strike plate. You can see we have our latch, 4 different screws to use to get everything installed. And you can see the knobs right here. So everything looks great. Regular key slot, and we have our smart key option. Then we have our installation instructions for our deadbolt. Very similar, walking us through everything we need to know. Double-sided. And then you can see we have our smart key and instructions, our hardware kit right here. You can see our plate, our regular keys, the lock mechanism, again, key slot and smart key option. Then you can see the finish right here, satin nickel. Check it out, you can see the deadbolt. Now let's go ahead, let's get everything installed. All right, so check it out. We got the combo kit installed right here. Everything looks great and it's working great. So very simple, latch at the bottom if we want to lock the door. And then we have our deadbolt up top. Let's go ahead, let's open it up so you can see it from this side right here. And now you can see it from the exterior view as well. I do want to point out that for this particular case, since I was replacing some really old locks, you can see they have the other strike plate at the top as well. So I swapped out the strike plate that came with our combo kit, and we're using that down here at the bottom. But up top, I left this one because I didn't want to use the plate that came. So in this case, I wanted to get another strike plate. So that's what I'm going to do for my particular case. So just be sure when you're buying these lock combo kits, check your old door and the hardware that you have and make sure the new hardware lines up, or you can buy additional hardware as needed. So that's what I'll be doing here. Or honestly, you could probably continue to use this if you wanted. I just want the finishes to match myself. But check that out. Strike plate looks great. This one up top, again, will be replaced, but everything's working as you would expect. I also want to point out in this particular case, the only thing I think I would improve is there's probably a simple way to do it, but I'm not aware of it, is I'd like to have this rotated down. So I'm calling this upside down. It works just fine. But in this case, I would like to have the ability to make this match this one right here. And I'm not a locksmith, so I'm sure somebody can figure it out. But that's the only thing I would change, is to make that universal. So whether you're opening the door in on the left or the right, this is going to match and be the proper way. So really quickly, I wanted to walk you guys through what it's like to use the SmarKey. This is a fantastic feature and it's very simple to use. I feel like the instruction guide and manual sometimes makes it a little bit more complicated than it really is. Doesn't matter if it's a deadbolt or if you're using just a regular doorknob or anything from Kwikset. As long as it has the SmarKey, you're going to follow the same procedure to rekey your lock. So first thing you have to do is you have to have the original key for the lock, or what it's currently set to. Once you do, insert that to lock, turn it 90 degrees, just like you see right here. Then you're going to take your smart key. So we have our smart key right here. And you can see with the text pointed up to the sky, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to gently press this in place. So there we go. It's that simple. You just press it. You can see it's kind of loose. That's fine. Take it out. Now we can go ahead. We can remove our key. And we're ready to take our new key that we want to program, and we're going to insert it right in. So here we go. We just inserted our key, and now guess what? Let's turn it back. That way you can see it just locked. Let's turn it the other way. Okay, we can't pull it out there. That's a good sign. If for some reason you can pull this out, it didn't work, and you'll have to try again. But in our case, check that out. It comes right out. Now let's put it back in. There we go. Everything's working as you would expect. And now just for fun, let's go ahead, let's take our old key right here. We can put it in, but check that out. It's not going to work anymore. So it literally can take you less than like 30 seconds and you've just rekeyed your locks. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.